How to switch between launchers on Android in less than 3 minutes. Today I'm going to show you how. Your launcher controls your home screen, icons, and app drawer, so switching it can completely change how your phone looks and feels. Start by opening settings on your phone. Scroll down and tap apps. From there, choose default apps, then look for home app or home. When you open it, you'll see a list of all launchers installed on your phone. For example, Nova, Niagara, Smart Launcher, or your phone's original launcher. Tap the launcher you want to use and your phone will switch instantly. The home screen may look different right away and it might take a moment for the new layout to load. Once it's ready, swipe around and open the launcher settings if you want to change themes, icons, or gestures. If you want to switch back, repeat the same steps. Settings, apps, default apps, home app, choose your old launcher. This works on most phones including Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo, Vivo, and Pixel. If your new launcher isn't appearing in the home app list, open it from your app drawer first so it can finish setup. After that, it should show up. And if you want to remove a launcher completely, go back to apps, find the launcher, and uninstall it. Your phone will automatically return to the original launcher. And that's it. Switching launchers is simple, safe, and lets you change your phone style anytime you want.